Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to my Allison Davis 6x6 project. I am working my way through this original project again, and today I'm starting off with week number 6. Now for this one I am using this Heidi Swap paper pad that I had added to the little mini kit that I created, and so I'm still working with that, and so I am down to quite a few scraps and very few solid sheets of paper left. I have pulled in several sheets of paper that I think that I'm going to use. I thought I had one. I do. I have one more. So these are the papers that I pulled out to use this go around. There are 4 of them, and so that's what the sketch called for, was 4, starting off with 4 of the 6x6 pieces of paper, and then they'll be cut down. But so they are all from this Heidi Swap Dreamy 6x6 paper pad. Now I did pull out some additional embellishments from my kit. I have my photos, and I am starting with 6 photos to use because it will be a 2-page layout. And I did pull in a couple of sheets of Basil cardstock. It is the kind that is textured on one side and smooth on the other side. So here's where I'm starting. So it's a 2-page layout, so I'll work with that to start with. To that I have added in these puffy stickers. There's hearts and stars and circles with different stuff. This one I've nearly used the entire sheet, but I still have a few on there to get used up, and this one is brand new. I don't think I've used anything from there. I pulled in this chipboard set from Freckled Fawn. It has some great colors in here that I think will work well with the pattern papers. I have this sticker sheet here. I have these wood veneer. They're clouds. I have these brads, and I pulled it for these sparkly ones right across there. Because the sketch looks like it has some stitching on it, I'm not 100% that I'm convinced that I'm going to do the stitching, but just in case I want to, I did go ahead and pull in some crochet thread. So I have that. Here's more of those. They're not simple stories. I don't remember where they're from now. But I have quite a few of those in here that I have pulled. There's more stickers. Those are from 7 Gypsies. These are random stickers that are left over from who knows where, and I've pulled it mostly for this one here that says One Happy Day. These are Maggie Holmes, and they are part of the same sticker sheet. They were folded in half and perforated, and I just tore them apart. So I pulled those to see if I could get some use out of those. I pulled in a label sheet, and I pulled in some washi stickers, and I have pulled in this alphabet. It does have some silver accents in the letters, so this should be fun. This is where I'm starting. If you will give me a minute, then we'll get started on this layout. Okay friends, I am done with this layout. This was layout number 6 for Allison Davis's 6x6 project, her first round of it. Anywho, this is the paper pad that I had pulled to use with this collection, and I used it. I used 4 sheets of paper out of here, plus a little bit of scrap paper, so it worked out really well. As far as embellishments go, I did finish off this set of wood veneer. They were the clouds with the hearts in them, so I finished that off. And then I used all of the sticker sheets that I added in. This was the old one that I had with just random stickers, and I used several pieces from here, which makes me really happy. The 2 larger ones from American Crafts, the Maggie Holmes collection, I think it went like this. I did use a couple from here, so that makes me happy. I did use washi strips from both sheets. No, just from one sheet. I did use labels from here. I only have 2 left. I did use the alphabet for my title, or part of my title. And I did use a couple of the photo corners from here. I had 2 left and I used them. I did not use anything from here. I did use a piece of chipboard. I did not use my twine, y'all. My crochet thread, because, well, I didn't sew anything, right? I did use the puffy stickers from Studio Calico, and I did use the glittered Bow Bunny brads. So let me move all of this and I will show you what I have created. And this is a 2-page layout. The original sketch called for doing stitching around these squares, and I'm just like, I'm not into it today. I don't want to do that, so I didn't. So here's where I'm at. I layered up my tags here, and my title is The Gang Is All Here and Family Reunion. Our location and our date. There's the chipboard piece, the wood veneer pieces, the puffy stickers, the photo corners, and then off those Maggie Home sheets I pulled the floral bits, the bird here and the bird here, and then the brads are here and here. So you can see I managed to get 3, 6, 7 photos, but actually this was one. So 5 photos for the layout, which I'm okay with. Anywho, yeah, I am done with this layout and I'm super happy with how it turned out. I wasn't going to put the photo of the dog up here, but that's neither here nor there. The layout is complete and it is ready for the album. I will have close-ups of all the embellishment clusters. I actually have 1, 2, 3 here and then 4, 5 down here. So 5 embellishment clusters here. I will show you on the close-ups. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.